Begin with the developing story. A third employee has been fired from the Firearm Licensing Authority (FLA) as investigators deepen their probe into the scandal now gripping the state-run entity.
TVJ News understands that the third casualty is a police officer on secondment who worked in the audit and complaint department. Yesterday, two other persons in the same department were also sacked from the FLA.
This development comes even as a whistleblower is making more damning allegations of corruption at the Firearm Licensing Authority. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm has this primetime news follow-up.
Corruption is rife and blatant at the FLA. Chilling words from an August 22 letter written by a whistleblower to the head of the agency. At the center, 6 persons who the whistleblower says should be sent on leave or fired pending the outcome of investigations. The major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, as well as the Office of the Contractor General, have been hot on the trail, and so far, 2 employees mentioned in the letter have been dismissed. Employees at the FLA have been accused of using their offices to abuse, intimidate, and bully staff into executing corrupt deeds while breaking the rules repeatedly. That's allegedly to meet the desires of those from whom money was collected for favors. Employees of the FLA have also been accused of shredding documents pertaining to Patrick Powell, who was freed in the X6 murder trial. That forced this query from the whistleblower. What has happened to the system of files being stored in 3s, 2 hard copies and 1 soft copy? That question was directed to managers and directors before 2012-2015. Here's another example of corruption at the FLA according to the whistleblower. You apply for a firearm license. It's approved. However, having received approval, you then seek to have it transferred to John Doe. This is wrong. And the whistleblower had even more damning accusations of corruption. Case in point, a man was able to get back his licensed gun after hitting his wife with it. A man also got back his trainer license after being arrested for impersonating a policeman during an implied altercation with a taxi operator. That taxi operator was allegedly hit with a firearm. A female also reportedly received a license for a 9mm pistol just because she was a friend of a former board member. In order to shore up the integrity of the FLA, the whistleblower is suggesting that the Applications and Certification Department be told 30 clear days in advance when a person should renew and certify their firearm. Consultations are also being suggested with both bigwigs and the small man. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.